Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to automatically share Instagram posts to a Facebook page as posts as well. This is a great and easy way to be active on Facebook, just like on Instagram, without putting any extra effort and time into it. This is just going to be a quick video tutorial, so if you want to get more details about sharing posts from Instagram to Facebook automatically, check out our comprehensive blog post on roihacks.com. where we also show you this process with screenshots and share some related information that we're not going to mention in this video. You can also find hundreds of tutorials there on social media and Instagram marketing for absolutely free. Links to the blog post and other free Instagram resources can be found in the description below. One more thing before diving into the tutorial. If you want to get more Instagram profile followers, more organic reach without running ads, then check out our Instagram profile growth checklist that you can download from our website, roihacks.com. We are currently giving it away for free. Links to the checklist in the description below. Alright, so before we would be able to set up this automatic posting feature, you have to meet two requirements. First, you have to have an Instagram business account. So a personal account is not enough. You have to switch to a professional account. It's really easy to do. You can find tutorials on my channel, also on roihacks.com. And secondly, you have to connect this business account to a Facebook page you also own, because then it's obvious when you share a post on Instagram where you want to share that post on Facebook as well. If you meet these two requirements, then it's really easy to set this up. All you have to do is open up the Instagram business account, then click on this menu bar here, then select settings, then select account, then select sharing to other apps, and select Facebook. As you can see, this is the Facebook page that is connected to this business account. And here we have to select these two toggle to automatically share Instagram posts, and if you want also share automatically your Instagram stories to Facebook as stories. So select these ones, so turn these on. And now if we go back to our profile and create a new Instagram post, then we are going to be able to automatically share the post to this Facebook page as well. As you can see, all you have to do is click on the check mark and the post will be shared on Instagram and on Facebook as well. Alright, before we would wrap up, just make sure to check out our free Instagram profile growth checklist that we use to 10x the number of followers. Keep in mind that we are planning to charge money for this checklist in the future, so get it now for free until you can. You can get the checklist by clicking on the link in the description below, or search in Google for roihacks.com and add the keywords Instagram profile growth checklist spreadsheet. Also, if you want to learn more about setting up, managing, growing an Instagram profile, make sure you check out our Instagram marketing tutorial YouTube playlist that you can see on the screen here. See you next time.